Hi, I'm Charlotte Mensah, Afro hair expert, GHD ambassador. Today, I'm going to show you how to use GHD Rise on Afro hair. The tool I'm going to use today is GHD Rise. It's super easy to use and it allows me to get really close to the roots. GHD Rise dials a 185, is safe to use and respects the hair. I can create a lot of volume, but it still leaves the hair with that beautiful, natural texture.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.